Over 800 families from San Pablo City and Laguna troubled by the ongoing construction of the South Long Haul project by the Philippine National Railways, or PNR, received housing units from the government. Our Gab Villegas lays out the details in this report.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. on Monday led the awarding of the new housing units of the National Housing Authority at St. Bart's Southville Heights in San Pablo City, Laguna. Some government officials as well as local chief executives were present at the ceremony. Up to 1,099 housing units will be provided to beneficiaries affected by the construction of segments 2 to 7 of the South Long Haul project of the Philippine National Railways. About 800 families received the titles to their units in today's ceremony.
Every housing unit here in St. Bart's Southville Heights here in San Pablo, Laguna has a lot area of 40.5 square meters and a floor area of 27.35 square meters. Let's take a look inside the house. Every house here has a living and dining area. There are also 2 bedrooms, as well as there is also kitchen and toilet and bathroom.
Other amenities are being constructed within the community, such as the covered court, public market, daycare and health centers, and tricycle terminals. In his speech, the President says the housing project is part of a broader government project to build a home for every Filipino family in need of one.
Masaya natin pinagdiriwang na may mas ligtas, mas maayos na tahanan na meron kayong mauuwian na. Ito po ang ating layunin. Kasabay ng pagpapaunlad natin sa infrastruktura ay ang pagginhawa ng buhay ng ating mga kababayan. Walang iniiwan, walang sinasantabi, at walang pinababayaan.
He also wants to build good homes with complete facilities in communities. The President also shared that he signed Republic Act 12216 in May, extending the NHA Charter for another 25 years. According to NHA General Manager Joven Tai, about 10,000 families will be hit by the PNR South Long Haul project that stretches from Calamba, Laguna to Legazpi City in Albay. Affected residents are also continuously relocated to housing sites.
Ongoing naman po yung pagta-transfer kasi alam niyo naman po hindi po ganun kabilis mag-transfer. Especially mga pamilya po doon, may mga anak rin po sila na tumitira. So normally po marami po nagka-transfer niyan after the school year.
According to GM Tai, the St. Bart's housing site is the first site turned over by the NHA for the project. There are 8 more housing projects in line for PNR South Long Haul project with housing sites in Quezon Province. GM Tai also expressed full support to the agency in Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino or 4PH program. According to San Pablo City Mayor Naji Gapangada, housing is a great help to reduce the number of informal settlers in their city. According to the mayor, there are 7,000 families that still remain homeless.
Meron na po kaming in-identify na ilang lote ng city government that we will allot for housing po para magkaroon pa ng mga tahanan, yung marami pang walang tahanan dito sa atin.
For ice cream vendor Mang Gregorio, he is very grateful for having received a housing unit from the government.
Kami nagpapasalamat po kay Presidente kasi yung kami galing po kami release San Gregorio. Dito po kami dinala. Kaya kami nagpapasalamat kay Presidente.
Another beneficiary, Renalyn, expresses happiness.
Masaya po kasi magkakaroon na kami ng sarili naming bahay. Nahulugan.
The President also has an appeal to the new homeowners.
Kaya ang pakiusap na lang sa inyo, alagaan naman ninyo ang mga tahanang ito at mahalin ninyo ang inyong komunidad. Magtulungan at pairalin ang malasakit sa bawat isa. Panatilihing malinis, ligtas at maayos ang St. Bart's. Patunayan ninyo na kayo ay ang mga bagong Pilipino. Pilipinong disiplinado, mahusay at may pagmamahal sa bayan.
Gab Villegas from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.